Hey guys, welcome back to another random review and how-to. Today I'm going to talk about the Suncast large deck box. It's 99-gallon capacity. We had one, needed another to put our deck cushions in. So now I'm going to put it together and I'll show you what it looks like.
What are you finding out here, Steph?
I'm finding out that it's just a pop-in. So you had to kind of tilt it back, put it in the grooves, and then you just pop it that in. So this is the bottom, this is the side. Now we're going to do the other side that Grace has. Wait a second.
So these little grooves here lock into the side piece.
Yeah. So what you have to do. Wait, Gracie girl, wait. Watch out, buddy. Okay. Now we got each side on. Now for the other sides, can I have my directions, please?
They will blown away.
Let me just make sure we're on the right track. Okay, we did that. Yeah. 10 centimeters, 7 inches tabs. Okay, so I think the same kind of deal here. This is going to be... Oops, gotta flip it.
That's the way. That's the way. This is the bottom. Just flip that back around. You're probably gonna have to snap all these in at the same time. So those bottom pieces go up in it.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
Yeah.
Here, let's do this.
Nice. Put it on top. Grace, pull that piece out, please.
All right, much easier.
So you just stood it up.
Yep. Popped it in. Knock, knock. Who's there? Watch yourself. There we go. Gotta give it a little bit of Take that tape off. All right, buddy, I gotta flip it the other way. Here, take this, please. Thank you.
I put it on the bottom.
Okay.
You don't want to push those sides in on the bottom there.
Okay. As you see, just goes right in like that. Grace, please don't push on it. Watch your fingers.
Did you get yourself?
Got it.
Oh, honey.
Oh.
We have an injury.
Oh. I need a Band-Aid.
Okay.
Okay. Watch your fingers when you're...
Let me see.
Oh my.
We're injured. We got a blood blister already.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Here, I'll take. You want me to take over?
Nope.
Look at this. That's the kind of woman
Power
you need in your
through.
life.
All right. So now is where the screws come into place and your L-shaped job. For this one, you want the L and you want the gold screw. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. Did you get it? Oh. Hold on. Let's put that on first. Thank you. Okay. Save the day, Grace.
How did you get injured?
It's all good. Okay, moving on. So you're gonna want your L, your gold screw, and your Phillips screwdriver. Put it right in there. Screw it on in. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, we got this screwed. Now we need to come over here and cut these off. Watch your fingers, everybody. Okay. Okay, so this bar that I clipped off is going right here over where you screwed before. Okay, it's just gonna go right in here. You'll see 2 holes, so you grab your black screws now. Still a Phillips. Gonna tighten that in there. Okay. And we'll just go over here and do the other side. That's interesting. Okay. Oops. This Band-Aid isn't working.
Mama.
Thank you. Oh, cute. Thanks, buddy. Okay. Tighten it all in. Okay. Whew, it's not good for the thumb. Now what's next? Okay, so now you're gonna want the 3 big screws. And we are going to go right in those 3. So what you need to do is take your top, flip it over here, line it up. You're gonna need a second hand for that. And these screws go on the inside. You take a second, okay, and then you just pop them in like that. Push it in a little bit further. Okay, and then okay, our lid's on, but I still think we need, oh God, what is it?
There was a spider.
Oh, that's big for you to do
Turn
that.
around, turn around, let me see.
Oh God.
I got it, okay. I saved you.
Where's the daddy one leg?
No. It's a tarantula.
Okay. Now these 2 plastic pieces?
Yep, so those are gonna be the kind of the braces that hold it on.
Okay.
All right, so they go, let's see.
Right in here, I guess?
No.
No?
Yeah, see this little notch right here?
Where?
All right, so one of the triangle pieces, no, wait. One of them goes in there, and the other one's
Oh, I
to
see.
connect.
It's like the, yeah. Oops, sorry.
And the other one snaps right into that spot right there.
Yeah.
So right by your handle.
That,
There you go.
okay.
Show that on this side. So it goes up there.
Right here.
Yep, snap. Doesn't matter what side you use.
No, they're both same on each side. Snap, snap. And then here to click. All right, so that's it. Took me about 20 minutes to put together. It did take 2 hands, went a little quicker. I think you could do it by yourself, but it went quicker with 2 hands. I wanted to show you side by side. We have the Suncast large deck box from about 10 years ago when we got married. As you see the difference, it's a little bit smaller now. Inside, they have these plastic versus the metal. It did come with a handle. Ours just broke off. The old one came with a handle. And as you see, it's a little bit wider here. Go ahead, sit down, sit down. This one, it can fit a Grace in there. No handle. Ooh, interesting.
See that?
So I guess you gotta be a little bit gentler with it. I don't know why, you know, this one's plastic, the other were metal, but
yeah.
still pretty
These
decent.
popped right away
Yeah.
when we open it, so that's kind of, but we'll probably have it maybe against the wall somewhere. So
yeah, it'll be against the wall. So that's the difference in the 2. Can still hold quite a bit in there.
So what are you putting on these?
So we're gonna put our cushions from right over here. This one holds our table cushions. So as you see, we needed another one. But very, very nice, weatherproof, very durable. Like I said, this one's lasted us 10 years and still going. A little bit of wear and tear, but we really like it. So don't forget to click and subscribe if you like this video, and there's a link down below where you can find this and purchase it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.